Today I'd like to talk about a couple of record judgments that have been handed down in our country over the last 4 or 5 years. Their effects on the insurance market and their effects on you. In the last 5 years, there's been two very large claims, very large judgments that have passed down in our country that have sent shockwaves through the insurance industry. One was an auto accident in Texas where a grandmother and her granddaughter were struck and killed by an intoxicated driver. And the jury in that case handed down a judgment of $301 billion, which was more than double what the previous record judgment was in the state of Texas. And the second one was a partial condominium collapse that took place in June of 2021, just outside of Miami, where part of a condominium collapsed and 98 people were killed. The jury handed down a little over a $1 billion judgment in that case. When large claims like this happen, oftentimes they seem far off, or disconnected to us, but they have effects on the insurance market that eventually trickle to each one of us. So claims like that impact the insurance industry, one, in the way that they set precedent. And it makes the insurance companies nervous a bit about what future judgments might look like. And so they begin to contract, they begin to pull in their appetite for risk. And the market constricts some, and that means less competition, and that has negative effects on us and our clients. And then secondly, the claims have to be paid. And so there's record judgments, there's record payouts. And large claims like this get paid by reinsurance carriers, which are financial giants that retail insurance companies purchase their insurance from. But the rates for their reinsurance have gone up now, and we're seeing that January 1st of 2023 here. Reinsurance rates for most insurance carriers went up 20 to 40%. And that does not have a direct correlation to retail rates, but it is certainly an increase in cost for the insurance company, and that gets passed down. And so we're starting to see some upward pressure on rates because of this. And there's some other factors as well in the marketplace, inflation and some other things. But it's important for you to make sure you're in good communication with your advisor. One, to make sure you have the right amount of insurance. Judgments have gone up, and that's going to have an effect. And two, to make sure you're managing your risk and the cost of your insurance as effectively as you can. If you need help with that, reach out to us. One of our advisors would love to talk to you. I'm Brad Forney, president of the BCF Group.